Whether you grew your seeds indoors or purchased sprouts from our garden center, eventually your plants will have to be transplanted outdoors. Here are some steps to help your garden grow successfully this season. Start slowly, only setting your seedlings outside for a few hours at a time, but they'll need a place that offers protection from the elements. Try a shady spot, such as a table placed near your home or under a tree. Place your seedlings outside for an hour or two during the afternoon. Make sure they're protected from pests and other dangers, such as strong winds. Each day, bring your plants back inside. Continue gradually, leaving your seedlings outside for another hour each day. If there is a particularly cold day, skip taking your plants outside. It's better to let the process take a little longer than to kill off your plants. After they've spent several days outside, it's time to let your seedlings adapt to nighttime temperatures. Once your plants have spent a few nights outside, they're ready to be planted. Plant your seedlings. Wilting is normal in the first few days, but your plants should quickly bounce back. Be sure to water them well.